Assalamu alaikum students. Welcome to lesson 3 from Science Fact File 2, chapter 2, Plants and Their System. Today's lecture will be on transportation of food in plants. Before we proceed, we must recall what we studied in the last 2 lectures. We studied about plants' tissue, which include photosynthetic tissue, protective tissue, and vascular tissues. Vascular tissues are made from xylem and phloem. We also learned about plants' organ, which includes roots, stem, leaves, and flower. Food is transported in phloem tube, while water and other minerals are transported in xylem tube. The learning objectives for this class will be to explain how plants get food through phloem tube, to know how sugar is made, how sugar is used by the plants, and to understand the speed and direction of sugar according to the needs of the plant. The word in front of you is photosynthesis. You are well aware what is photosynthesis. It is a process of making food. Plants make their food when they get 3 ingredients. They are water, carbon dioxide, sunlight. All the 3 ingredients mix to make sugar, which is the food for plants. How is sugar made? It is made inside the leaf. Let us mix all those 3 ingredients: water, carbon dioxide, sunlight. After mixing, they make sugar. Can you see the food made inside the leaf? How will we take this sugar to the hungry roots and shoots? This is Mr. Sugar. It is made inside the leaves during photosynthesis. Now it wants to go up to the growing shoot, roots, and fruits. Mr. Sugar is sad. How will it go up to the shoot and down to the roots? Awesome! This is phloem. Phloem. This tube will help the sugar to go to other parts of plant. But how? The area above the ground is called shoot, while the area below the ground is called root. The shoot includes flower, leaf, stem, and fruit. All these parts are called shoot. Both roots and shoot are hungry and weak. They need energy to grow and respire. So the sugar will go up to the shoot and down to the roots. Both shoot and roots use this energy to grow and respire. The roots store the extra sugar. This is a flow chart. This area is leaf, shoot, and roots. The sugar is made inside the leaf. This is the phloem tube. The phloem tube helps transport the sugar up to the shoot and down to the roots. It is 2 ways. That is why they have holes, which help them move 2 ways. The sugar will go up to the shoot through the flowing tube and down to the root through the flowing tube. The flowing tube has holes to allow the two-way movement of the sugar. How is sugar used? Sugar is used by the shoot and the roots to get energy for respiration. It is also stored inside the fruits and the roots. That is why fruits are sweet. In front of you is a tree. It resembles a winter tree. During the winter, there is no new leaves and no flowers on the tree. While this is a spring tree. During spring, you see new leaves, new flowers, and fruits on the tree. To see the speed and direction of sugar, we have compared two different trees from different seasons. This is a winter tree and this is a spring tree. A winter tree has no growing leaves and flower. That is why there is no one hungry to eat the food. So what will happen to the sugar? Remember, there is no leaf and no flower to eat the sugar. So all of the sugar will go down to the roots. To get stored, while the sugar goes to growing shoots, roots and fruits in the spring tree. Remember, there are leaves, flowers and fruit which is hungry, so they need sugar to grow and respire. So the sugar will go down to the roots and up to the flower and up to the leaves. Your home assignment is to complete the test yourself on page number 21.